expropriated area through proceeding under RA number 10752, Section 6, expropriated lot area natin ay 13,215 square meters. Ang existing market po natin, na ito ay pagmamayari na ng ating pamahalang bayan ng Kalupit ay 1,051 square meters. Kaya total lot area po ng kabuuan nito ay 14,309 square meters o 1.4 hektarya. Project inclusion ay ang Barangay Road to Barangay Corazon and Kalupit Central School, itong El Mercado de Kalupit and site development. Ang total land development for El Mercado de Kalupit ay 12,998 square meters. Kasama dito ay ang El Mercado de Kalupit, itong building na ito, Central Tricycle Terminal, site development, MRF or Material Recovery Facility, standby generator set for market, just in case po na mag-round up, ay meron tayong standby na generator. Central CCTV and public address, water supply and fire reserve tank, market sewer treatment plant, new box convert, Otosang, and RCP, commercial pylon, Bolivian LED wall TV, landscaping, and landmarks.